Hey, DJ Rap here. Let's do 1 minute with a groove pool. So step one, opening up my browser, I'm going to go to my packs, core library, and here I've got swing and groove. I'm going to go with Logic. Just a quick tip, any of the numbers here that are bigger, the more excessive the groove, so you can also audition them, make sure the blue headphones on here. And you simply drop and drag the groove on there. Now if you want to use multiple grooves, open up the wiggly lines here, and you can drop more different grooves down here. One other last thing real quick as well, if you open this up you can see the grooves here. You can swing between the different grooves, but you don't have to commit necessarily. And when you're ready, you can then hit the commit button, which is here, and it'll actually move the MIDI if this was in MIDI or audio. So let's go again. No groove. And let's pick our other groove. So I'm going to go with the first one. I'm going to hit commit, and then you can see the warp markers have changed everything, and now it's permanent.